My name is Makaylah Castillo. I am a sophomore, and I currently plan on studying Japanese language and linguistics with a minor in art. We got a free tablet if you finish a program. I know, you get a free tablet. My teacher was Jose Ignacio, and I was like, if you need anything, like, you can talk to me. He told me all the resources that were on campus, how to study, because I had no idea how to study. I still, am trying to figure it out, but, he showed us how he studied, who we talked to, he brought in, other students, and they were like, okay, here's what I do. We all go study with our friends. We get some energy drinks. I don't condone. My mom had no idea. She had no idea how to do the application. She had no idea. She was like, I've never been. I don't know how to help you. But I think if you let that hold you back, you're never going to better yourself. I'm so happy. I'm so happy now that I'm learning Japanese, and I absolutely love learning. I would just be really sad if I missed this chance and I just was I let it be an excuse. But also, they're my biggest fans. I would not be here. I would not be here without my mother. I call her, I'm like, Mom, my teacher did this. I'm like, I love my teacher. I gave them this. If it wasn't for my mom, I wouldn't be here. But they are definitely my biggest supporters.